Hi, my name is Nill. I'm with Nill Building Solutions. I'm here today to demonstrate the old way to attach the concrete versus the Nill way. We start both applications by pre-drilling into the concrete. Then whatever object we're going to attach to the concrete, this is the old way. We screw down. And then the more we tighten, the more stress we are now putting on the concrete. Also, water now can migrate underneath this bracket and into the hole that we created when we drilled for the fastener. Now I'm going to show you the Nill way. The NB3C, our concrete anchor, has a waterproof threaded port. It comes in all sizes. We have a cork groove, or we use a gasket. In this case, we're going to use the gasket, and now I'm going to show you the Nill way. Now, whatever object we're attaching to the concrete, we are attaching to a waterproof threaded port. So there is no water migrating into the concrete. And the more we tighten down, the more we are pushing on our flange. We are causing zero stress on the concrete from over tightening. We actually become stronger with no stress on the concrete.